Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we break down money, investing, and financial freedom in the simplest way possible. Now, if you're just getting started with investing, you've probably heard a lot of advice, some good, some bad, and some just straight up confusing. Investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth. But let's be honest, the wrong moves can cost you big time. So today, we're diving deep into the 5 most common mistakes new investors make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Stick around to the end because avoiding these mistakes could easily save you years of frustration and thousands of dollars. Mistake number 1, not doing enough research. A lot of beginners invest because a friend said, "Bro, this stock will explode," or because they saw a viral TikTok telling them to buy some random coin. But here's the truth. Investing without research is like trying to drive in a foreign city without a map. You might get lucky, but most of the time you end up lost. How to avoid it? Spend time understanding what you're investing in. Check the company's history, read basic financials, and understand the industry. You don't need to be a finance expert. Even checking past performance, leadership, and long-term trends can save you from bad decisions. Think of research as the seatbelt of investing. You hope you never need it, but you'll be glad it's there. Mistake number 2, trying to time the market. Everyone loves the idea of buying low and selling high. In theory, it's perfect. In reality, even professionals fail at timing the market consistently. New investors often panic during market dips, they sell out of fear. Then when prices rise again, they buy back because of FOMO. This cycle kills returns. How to avoid it? Focus on long-term investing. Use dollar-cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, whether the market is up or down. This strategy automatically buys more when the market is cheap and less when it's expensive. It removes emotions and reduces stress. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Mistake number 3, overlooking diversification. Putting all your money into one stock, one sector, or one cryptocurrency is basically gambling. What if that company faces a scandal? What if that sector crashes? What if that coin becomes the next Luna? How to avoid it? Spread your investments across different industries, different types of assets, different parts of the world. Think of diversification like building a table with multiple legs. Even if one leg breaks, the table still stands. For beginners, ETFs are an easy way to diversify without researching dozens of individual stocks. Mistake number 4, ignoring fees and costs. A lot of people don't realize how much fees can eat into profits. You may look at a fund that returns 10% per year, but if hidden fees take away 1 to 2%, that reduces your long-term growth massively. How to avoid it? Always check transaction fees, management fees, spread costs, platform charges, low-fee brokerages, and low-cost index funds or ETFs. Even saving 0.5% a year in fees could mean tens of thousands more in your portfolio over 20 to 30 years. Fees seem small today, but they hit hard over time because of compounding. Mistake number 5, letting emotions control your decisions. This is the biggest one, and honestly, even experienced investors struggle with it. Fear makes people panic sell. Greed makes people chase hype. Both lead to losses. The market will go up. The market will go down. Sometimes slowly, sometimes violently. But emotional reactions almost always make things worse. How to avoid it? Create a plan and stick to it. Set clear goals like why you're investing, how long you want to invest, how much risk you can handle. Once your plan is in place, avoid checking your portfolio every hour. You'll never build wealth if your emotions drive your decisions. So there you have it, the 5 biggest mistakes new investors make and exactly how you can avoid them. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent, stay informed, and think long-term. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video that could help you grow your money smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.